Suppose I'm creating for YouTube channel. My question is called again starting for my YouTube channel. How to increase my YouTube channel views? Here we can using for is SEO. Second we're using for social media. Here we can use the one more option called a YouTube channel. That is the inline option is called YouTube community. YouTube community. In this one, first of all, you can select by options. The option call is community. Here promoting your any videos, your YouTube video title and your promotion title total difference. YouTube title and your promotion title total difference. In this coming to YouTube communities, I am selecting for add and existing video. Select only for existing video. That is called by video search, by URL, by YouTube videos. So I'm selecting here just total here. I'm selecting for one is called how to generate leads from your website with Google search. So how to generate new traffic on your website using images. So I'm selecting in this post it. How to get your website traffic using Google images. So my video title, my post and total different. Here, not accept by any hashtag, not accept by any @. Clicking for post. I can promote my video with my own title. Here, how to generate new traffic on your website using images. How to get your website traffic using Google images. So any videos we can promote for different title using for YouTube communities. Without using for any social networks, any SEO, we can promote our YouTube videos using for YouTube community option. People asking for how to advertise your videos on using YouTube channel, YouTube community, or else how to advertise your YouTube videos without SEO and SMO option, without digital market. That is for using for YouTube community